Good morning, boys and girls. We're at the end of our chapter 1. So we're going to take all the things that we learned, all the strategies that we learned in this chapter, and we're going to apply them today. On this side of the paper, you can see it says a hobby is something you do for fun. Owen's hobby is photography. He took pictures and displayed them on the poster. What did he use here to display? This is an array, okay? Down here it says how many photos did Owen display on the poster? Explain the different strategies that you could use to find the answer. So we could do a quick array, we could do a regular array, you could count by 4s, you could count by 6s. Down here, ask what other ways could Owen have arranged the photos in an array on the poster. With the class, try to come up all the other different ways that he could have arranged to equal 24. Go ahead and do that now. Pause. All right, on the back side of the paper, we're doing some more talk about hobbies. Okay, you need to read these carefully to get the information for below. This says, they asked some third graders, what is your hobby? 4 third graders chose dancing. If you look over here though, it says for photography, 8 more than dancing said photography. So you need to use this information to get the information here. Over here, there's 6 less than photography. So you need to take the number from photography and do 6 less. Over here, for games, 8 third graders said games, okay? Once you have your numbers up here, you're going to go down and plug them in to the 2 graphs and then answer the question on the bottom. Go ahead and work on that now. Okay, you have a graded assignment today, and you're going to just be looking at the clues here to figure out what number they're talking about. And then down here, there's a graph with some hobby. So you're going to take this information and you're going to plug it in down here. Be very careful though, because you might notice each square or notebook, it looks like, stands for 4 third graders, okay? So if there's 12 that like coin collection, I would have to say 4, 8, 12. I would only have 3 notebooks on there because each one stands for 4. 4, 8, 12. This is a graded assignment. Make sure you give it to your teacher when you're done. Okay? From there, you have a quick quiz. Again, another graded assignment. Super important. The first thing we need to remember with our quick quiz is that we are going to do deal. Drawing, equation, answer, label. Let's read through the problems real quickly and we'll determine whether they're multiplication or division. Mrs. Andrews divided 45 milliliters of water equally into 9 test tubes for her science class. How many milliliters of water does she have in each test tube? I already have my total, so I know that this is a division. The chorus members singing at a school concert stand in 3 rows with 9 members in each row. How many chorus members are there singing all together? We're looking for a total, so this is multiplication. The 32 students on a field trip are organized into groups of 4. How many groups of students are there? We already have our total, so we're going to divide. Susan arranges her model cars in 6 rows with 3 cars in each row. How else could Susan arrange her model cars? Okay, so this one isn't deal, but you're going to give me another way or 2 that she could arrange. Instead of 6 rows with 3 cars, maybe she'd do 3 rows with how many cars? Okay. Philip bakes 8 muffins and gives Philip bakes 8 muffins and gives each of his friends 1 muffin. He has no muffins left over. How many friends does Philip have? So we started with the total, so that's going to be a division problem. This should be quick and easy. It's called a quick quiz for a reason, and I just gave you lots of clues, okay? Make sure you're using deal. When you're done with that, you need to flip it over, and on the back side, you need to do the fluency check. This side will also be graded today, okay? So you need to make sure that you have handing in 3 things that need to be graded today. Your regular worksheet, your quick quiz, and then your fluency check. This should be quick and easy because it's addition. Good luck. Take your time and do a good job.